How to create a crypto.com account. Hello everyone. Crypto.com is an international crypto exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'll show you how to create a crypto.com account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To create an account and receive attractive offers from crypto.com, visit coinaz.net/crypto.com. Or click on the crypto.com account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, click here to download the crypto.com app. Then, click here to open the app. Here's a referral code. If you don't have one, just enter this code to get bonus rewards. Click Confirm. Next, click Sign Up. First, enter the email address you want to use to create your account. Click here. Then, click Continue with email. Drag the slider to place the puzzle piece correctly. Crypto.com just sent a verification link to your email. Please check your inbox. Click Open Mail. I'll open it using Gmail. This is the message that Crypto.com just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click here. And check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the message. Click the link to continue creating your account. Since I'm creating the account using the Crypto.com app, I'll open the link in my default browser. Next, enter your mobile phone number. Click Continue. Enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Then, Crypto.com will ask you to set a passcode. Re-enter your passcode to confirm. To secure your account, you'll need to verify your identity. Click Agree and Continue. Click Start. To change your documents issuing country, click here. Then, choose one of the following documents for verification: passport, driver's license, and identity card. I'll choose identity card. Select Allow to access the camera, and place your document inside the frame. The next step is facial verification. Click Start. Your documents are under review. You will receive an email notification once the review is completed. I've completed the guide on creating a Crypto.com account. Wishing you success.